The Seihan Bird is a car in a class all of its own. It's the car for today's world, the car for you. And it's the car that gives you more of everything, lots more fun, and it gives you more style and class, and more economy. It gives you more comfort and safety, and more power and speed. A car in a class by itself for today's world, and for today's people. Make it yours. The Seihan Bird. The Seihan Bird.